Hello, my name is Claudia Bailey. I'll be conducting an assessment on the fitness testing and evaluation that we've been doing over the last 4 weeks. My presentation will be a little bit shorter than yours, as each person in your group needs to speak at some point. Now, I love photos and videos of you guys doing your exercises. Good luck. Now, I improved on the vertical jumps, beat test, chin-ups, push-ups, and my runs. Those were the 3 kilometre and the sprint runs. You'll see those in the graph shortly. I felt better due to being tired and going to sleep earlier, so I had more hours of sleep. I felt happier because of the endorphins that were moving around in my body. My resting heart rate decreased, and this could be related to nerves sometimes when it increased, so I was careful when I was measuring this. I lost 2 kilos over the time that we did the fitness testing, and I was running according to my plan every day, doing my stretching for flexibility and netball training. This is my fitness test comparison. You'll see here that my height stayed the same during the assessment. This was understandable, and this is what I expected because it was a short time. My weight dropped here, 2 kilos, very happy about that. This just means that my body is going to be in a healthier weight range. I improved on the beat test, about just under 1 point. I improved on my sit and reach due to the flexibility training I had in my plan. I improved on my chin-ups, as mentioned before, push-ups, and the running times will seem shorter because they're measured in time, but I actually did improve as the bar is lower. This was all in all a really great result. I was happy with the way the fitness testing went out, and I think that the benefits of fitness outweigh the negative impacts. The negative impacts might have been just the soreness of muscles and lack of time, I guess, trying to fit all the activities into my daily routine. I'm going to continue my fitness plan over the next few weeks and see how I improve and how I might be able to add some more even onto my fitness plan. Thank you for listening.